A dental clinic manager pauses between patients, reviewing complex cases on a screen. Years of experience are there, but uncertainty creeps in when cases become intricate. In modern dental practice, managing complex cases isn't just about experience. It's about precision, diagnosis, and confident decision-making. To help elevate clinical confidence, Sam guides the dentist toward a focused, structured learning path. The Fellowship in Endodontics is designed to strengthen diagnostic clarity, case planning, and advanced endodontic management. Through expert-led learning and real-world case exposure, it helps clinicians navigate complex root canal anatomies, obturation strategies, and interdisciplinary care with confidence. Experience the new Medvarsity, powered by AI, personalised for your journey toward endodontic excellence.